Kick his fucking ass, Mikey. I mean, this is the fucking shit we've been training for. Look at him, dude. Look at those fucking skinny little arms. You ain't scared of those. Now pounce. Fucking right on command. That's the fucking shit we're talking about. Now, butthole to the nose, Mikey. We trained this one. Bite his little nutsack, Mikey. Yeah. Eat his fucking head. Oh shit, that's a win for fucking Mikey. What you gonna say about that, Trooper? Oh shit! Came in right on the interview and just fucking attacked. I mean, that's the fucking shit we're here for. Oh my god. You alright, Tom? Mikey wins the fucking King of the Hill championship. Oh, he's back for round 2. Oh, shit. Oh, my goodness. This is the fucking shit we talk about. Oh, my God. Mikey's not putting up with no bullshit no more. Oh, we'll get a butthole right here, too. That's pretty cool. Yeah, Mikey. Let him fucking know. Let him know who you are. Let him know where you came from. Yeah. Look at him, dude. He's like, ooh. Oh, shit. The attack ability. How he just goes right after. Oh, my goodness. This is the greatest fight I've ever seen. Jesus Christ, Trooper, you're twice his fucking size. Start throwing some fucking bows or something. Oh, butthole again. Look at that. What the fuck is that? That's some fucking hoist gracie bullshit. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my, we all knew it was coming. We just didn't know when. Trooper, you're losing. Jesus, you're stuck. That's not gonna help, dude. Sweet Jesus.